In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the curve controls, how to shape your text into an arch or circle, and how to fine-tune the look so it fits your design perfectly. Start by adding your text to the canvas. Click the Text option, choose Add Your Text, and type the words you want to curve. Keep it simple at first so you can focus on the shape. Make sure the text box is selected so the text tools appear. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and the editing properties on the screen. Next, look for the text toolbar. Depending on your layout, it may appear on the right side, the left side, or across the top. You're looking for controls related to text layout or effects. In many versions, you'll see options like circle, arch, or bow. These are the presets that apply curvature to your text. If you don't see them right away, check inside a section called Shape or Layout within the text panel. Different versions group these controls slightly differently, but the feature names are usually consistent. Choose the curved style that matches your design idea. Arch typically bends the text along a gentle arc. Bow can create a deeper bend, and circle wraps your text around a full or partial circle. After you pick a style, you may see sliders in the panel or on-canvas handles around the text. Use these to adjust the strength and direction of the curve. Dragging the slider increases or decreases the bend, while flipping the direction can arc the text upward or downward. If the letters feel too cramped as you bend them, reduce the font size or adjust letter spacing until the curve looks balanced and readable. Once the curve looks right, reposition and style your text just like any other text layer. Click and drag to move it into place, then refine the font, size, color, and alignment to match your design. High contrast colors often work best on curved text, and a slightly heavier font can improve legibility along tighter arcs. If it still feels off, revisit the curve slider for subtle tweaks rather than big swings. Small adjustments usually make the text sit more naturally with your imagery and layout. That's all there is to it. Add your text, select the text box, find the curve options, choose a style, adjust the curvature, then polish the font, color, and placement. With a bit of experimentation, you'll have clean, curved text that enhances your design without overpowering it.